Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn electricity and circuits together, step by step. Electricity is the flow of tiny charged particles, mostly electrons, through a conductor. Current measures how much charge flows each second, in amperes. Voltage is the push that drives that flow, measured in volts, like pressure in a water pipe. Resistance, in ohms, opposes the flow and turns some energy into heat. And remember, charge only moves around a complete, unbroken loop. Break the loop, and everything stops. Ohm's law ties the three quantities together. Voltage equals current times resistance. Increase the voltage and more current flows. Add resistance and the current shrinks. This relationship is the workhorse of electronics. It lets engineers choose the right resistor to protect a delicate component, set the brightness of a bulb, or limit current so wires never overheat. Three quantities, one tidy equation. Connect a 6-volt battery to a bulb with 3 ohms of resistance. Rearranging Ohm's law, current equals voltage divided by resistance, so 6 divided by 3 gives 2 amperes flowing through the bulb. That moving charge bumps through the filament, heating it until it glows. Swap in a higher resistance bulb and less current flows, so it glows more dimly. The math predicts the brightness. Circuits can be wired 2 ways. In a series circuit, components share a single path, so the same current passes through each one. If one bulb burns out, the loop breaks and they all go dark. In a parallel circuit, each component gets its own path, so one can fail while the others keep shining. That's exactly why your home is wired in parallel. To recap, current is the flow of charge around a complete loop. Voltage provides the push, and resistance opposes it. Ohm's law links them as voltage equals current times resistance. Components wired in series share one path, while parallel wiring gives each its own. Master these basics and you can read any simple circuit, from a flashlight to the wiring in your walls. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.